This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adam James Marlieb. Welcome to Nutmeg Way in Woodmont Country Club. This beautifully updated home with remodeled baths and attractive tiled floors throughout offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths in a spacious, open floor plan. Plenty of windows and sliders provide natural light and views of the covered lanai and pool overlooking water. The fenced rear yard and patio areas are perfect for outdoor dining and entertaining. The kitchen has newer stainless steel appliances, granite counters and plenty of cabinet and pantry space. This tastefully appointed, well-maintained home with hurricane shutters is convenient to shopping, dining, medical facilities, and offers easy access to the Turnpike and Sawgrass Expressway. For more information, review the details below.